Hi guys, in this video we're going to be introducing the concepts of chromatography, looking at thin layer chromatography, gas chromatography, linking chromatography to mass spectrometry, and then finally we'll summarise.
So what is chromatography? Well, chromatography is a separation technique used for identifying chemicals that are in a mixture. The common feature of all forms of chromatography is that we have what we call a mobile phase, and this mobile phase contains our mixture that we're trying to separate, and the mobile phase spreads out through a stationary phase, something that doesn't move. So an example you may have seen at GCSE is putting spots of ink on filter paper. So the white here is filter paper, and we would put spots of ink across the bottom and place the filter paper in a beaker which has solvent of some sort that can dissolve the ink in the bottom, and then the solvent spreads up throughout the filter paper and drags the ink up with it, causing it to separate out into its constituent colours as it moves up. In this example, the stationary phase is the filter paper because that's what we're moving through and it's not moving itself, and the mobile phase is the solvent that contains the pen ink. If a substance in the mix is strongly attracted to the stationary phase, so if one of the dyes within the ink is strongly attracted to the filter paper, it will not move up as far or as quickly as the others. And this is what causes the separation, because all of the different components are moving differently relative to each other. The first type of chromatography that we're going to look at in detail for this video is thin layer chromatography. This is often abbreviated to TLC, and we'll refer to it as TLC from here on out. It's very similar to the type of chromatography we just saw using filter paper and pen ink. The stationary phase, the thing that doesn't move and that the mobile phase spreads out through, is a thin piece of unreactive material like glass, and we could cover this thin layer of glass with an absorbent chemical like aluminium oxide. The mobile phase is usually some sort of organic solvent, which tends to be the chemicals we're trying to separate, organic ones, and this will move in one direction up the thin layer. So we have our solvent system at the bottom here, and this is going to move up.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, just click the Snap Revise smiley face here. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.